In this video, we want to find the limit as x approaches 0 of limit as y approaches 0 of x squared over x squared plus y squared. And then limit as y approaches 0 of limit as x approaches 0 of x squared over x squared plus y squared. In order to solve both of these limits, we want to start inside. So in this case, it's limit as y approaches 0 of x squared over x squared plus y squared. What we have to do is substitute y equals 0 to get x squared over x squared plus 0 squared. The 0 squared is just 0. That cancels. And we're left with x squared over x squared. And the limit as x approaches 0. X squared over x squared is 1. So the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 is just 1. Now let's look at the converse. Let's start off with limit as x approaches 0 of x squared over x squared plus y squared. We will substitute x equals 0 to get 0 squared over 0 squared plus y squared. That simplifies to 0 over y squared. And then 0 divided by y squared is 0. So limit as x approaches 0 of 0 is 0.